Hello student, 5th standard maths, topic number 5, division. Their subtopic, division of 4 and 5 digit numbers by 2 digit number. I think you all beheaded the table 2 to 20. Yes or no? 2 to 20, 30. How much you beheaded? See here. Not here 1 digit number, 2 digit number means after 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, 18, 20. Almost all question are there that type. Understand? Now open your textbook. Exercise division 4 and 5 digit number by 2 digit number. 2-3 example I show you, I teach you, okay? Standard 5th topic, division. There subtopic 5.3. See one example, 1, 2, 3 example I show you. 6,349 divided by 19. All of you beheaded 19 table? All are beheaded? Okay. Now see. 19, how do you divide it? When your division start, that time you start from the division from first place number, from starting number, not a last number, not a ones number. You start from the left side. See, which number is given here? 6. And divided number, division number which? 19. 19 number is there. In the 19 table 6 is there. Which is a big number? 19 is a big, 6 is a small. So you take here first 2 numbers. So you take here first 2 number. You take first 2 numbers. Which number given? You got there only 63. Say the 19 table and see there in 19 table 63 is there. 63 is there in 19 table. All are same. In the 19 table 63 is there. Say 19 table. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95. You want here 63. 63 is in their table? No. In the table 63 smallest number which? 57 is there. Okay. So how do you read? 19 threesa means 3 right here, minus 57 minus 57. Okay, understand? How do you do? All of you understand? Okay. See, 57 you write there. Then 3 minus 7 is possible? No. You do here minus carry step. 3 minus 7 is possible? No. So what you do? Take carry from first number. This is you do in your mind. Okay. Here 13. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. How much there? 13 minus 7. 3, 6. 6 is there. And here 5, because of you take carry the next number, na? 5 minus 5, 0. Next one number which? 4. Take as it is last number. Okay, take as it is. Next step. 64. 64 also in 19 table. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76. 64 and 76 compare. 76 is greater number and 64 is a smallest number. So you take their first number, that first number is 57. Compare their 57 and 64. Which is the greatest number? 64. So write there 19 threes are 64. 64? No, 57. Write there 57. Okay. 4 minus 7 is possible? 4 minus 7 is possible there? No. So write there 14. 14 minus 7, 7. You take carry from this number, na? So here is minus 1. 5 minus 5, 0. Understand? Now, next one number, write as it is. Take over. Take over a next step. 79. You got here number 79. Again one time say 19 table. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95. 95 and 79 compare there. Which is the greatest number? 95. So you take before one number. Before one number which? 19 fours are 76. 76 is a smaller than the 79. Okay. 9 minus 6, 3. Here 0, 0. See here, this is your dividend number. This is a divisor number. This is your quotient. And this is your remainder. And how to verify the answer? What is the formula of verify answer? Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder plus remainder. See, what is the quotient? 334. Divisor 19 and plus 3. 19 fours are 76. 6 right here. 7 is a carry. 19 threes are 57. 57 plus 7. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64, 4 right here, 6 right here. 19 threes are 57. 57 plus 3. 57 plus 3. 58, 59, 60. 19 threes are 57. 57 plus 6. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63 plus 3, 49. What is the divisor number? 6349. Got here? Means your answer is this one correct. Understand? All of you understand? Now open your textbook. First one question. First one you write page number on your notebook, page number 86. Question number 1. Write there divided and verify your answer. Verify your answer. Write in their question. Write in their question. First one you solve there. Okay. A1. 4651 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Write in their question. Write in their shape. 4651 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 threes are 45, 15 fives are 60, 15 sevens are, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. Okay, see, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. 45 is here, not 46. What you do first? First take first number and compare their divisor number and dividend first number. This one divisor number is a big. So what you do here? Take first two numbers. Take first two number. Now 46. 46 in their 15 table? No. 46 smallest number. Another smallest number with 45. Means 15 threes are 45. Okay. 15 threes are 45. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Next one. Come in. 15. 15 ones are 15. How do you say 15 ones are 15, right? Okay. Then minus 0, 0, 0. Then last one number you carry over. 15 ones are 15. 1 and 15 compare. 15 is the biggest number. 15 zeros are 0. Right here 1. Now you check your answer. 4651 dividend number. Quotient what? 310. Divisor number what? 15 plus remainder 1. 1. Okay, 15 zeros are 0. 15 ones are 15. 1 carry. 15 threes are 45. 45 plus 1, 46 plus 1, 4651 means your this answer is correct. Understand how to do? B1. B1 what? 9,464 divided by 14. Write in a format. 9,464 divided by 14. Write here 14 table. Write here 14 table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Now see here, first one number 9, 9 and 14, 14 is the biggest number, greatest number. So you take first two number 94, 94 in table 14 table? No. 94 which is the smallest number? 84. 84 where come? 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. 4 minus 4 0. 9 minus 8 1. Next one number you write as it is 6. 106 number here you got. 106 number in their 14 table? No. Which is the smallest number? 106. Before number which come in? 112? No. 112 after coming. 98 is before coming of 106? Correct. 98 is coming. 98. Which number? 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. 6 minus 8 is possible? No. Take carry from next number. But here is also 0. Here take carry from. Here 0. Here 10, 9. And here 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. Here is also 0. Next one number which? 4. 4 right as it is. 4 right as it is. 14 6 are 84 na? 14 6 are 84 right. And now check your answer. Dividend number 9464 is equal to quotient 676 multiplied by divisor plus remainder. 14 6 are 84, 8 is carry, 14 6 are 84, 8 is carry. 8 is carry. 14 sevens are 98, 98 plus 8, 106, 10 is a carry. 14 6 are 84, 14 6 are 84 plus 10, 94, 9464. You got there na? Both sides are same. Means this is your correct answer. All of you understand how to do? Okay? All of you understand now how to do? See one also. I solve here. 7786 divided by 12. Divided by 12. 7786 divided by 12. First write 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 36, 'Now see 77. 77 in 12 table? No. So 12 6 are 72 minus 72. 7 minus 2 5 0. Next one number carried on. 12 5s are 60. 12 fours are 48. 12 nines are 108. 12 eights are 96. Understand? All of you understand how to do? Now you check your answer. 7786 is equal to 648 multiplied by 12 plus 10. 12 eights are 96, 9 carry. 12 fours are 48 plus 9, 57, 7 right, plus 5 carry. 12 six are 72, 72 plus 5, 77, plus 10, 7786. This is your correct answer. Understand now how to solve? D1 also I solve here. (5,342) divided by 16. Divided by 16. All of you know 16 table? Yes or no? 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Now see what you do first. See first number, dividend number 5. 5 and divisor number is 60. 5 is the smallest number, so you take the first two number. 16, anyone ones are 53, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64. 53 and 64, which is the greatest number? 64. So you write there 16 threes are 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 5. 4 is the next number. Take carry over. 54 in the 16 table? No. 16. 3 is also coming. 48. 4. 6 is there. 62. 62 in 14 table? No. So 16. 3 is 48. 12 minus 8, 4. And 5 minus 1, 14. Now your answer is correct. Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus 16 threes are 48. 4 carry. 16 threes are 48. 49, 50, 51 and 52. Carry 5. 16 threes are 48. 48, 49, 42, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53 plus 14. Something is wrong here. 313 multiplied by 16. 16 threes are 48. 4 is a carry. 16 threes are 48 plus 4. 49, 50, 51, 52. 5 is a carry. 16 3s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53 plus 14, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 4, correct. This is the correct. Both sides are same na? Dividend and answer is same na? So your answer is same. All of you understand now how to do? E to I is your homework. E to I is your homework. See here. Here what is a quotient? 100 is a quotient. 0 is a remainder. Understand? Because of see. 1000 divided by 10. When divided by 10, 100, how many is there now? Last one 0. There is a remainder. Means here only 1 0. So in dividend number, one number, this is a your remainder and this is your quotient. Understand? Here also 1 0 1. This is remainder. Okay. And 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, means 50 answer. Quotient here 50. Understand? Here also do. Okay. This is so easy. This is your homework. Next video I teach you question number 2, 3, 4 to example. Same as it is, but I teach you. Okay. You try to solve these questions. Okay. Thank you.